Hey, did you know that rebuilding life after depression can be a step by step process? Yeah, it's not just about snapping your fingers and feeling better. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. So, if you're struggling or know someone who is, stick around because we're diving deep into this journey together. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I want to share something really personal, my own journey with overcoming depression. There were days when getting out of bed felt like climbing a mountain. But through all the ups and downs, I discovered ways to rebuild my life piece by piece. And trust me, if I can do it, you can too. Let's talk about the tough stuff for a moment. After experiencing depression, it's common to feel hopeless and isolated. It's like being trapped in a fog where everything feels overwhelming. You might think, how do I even start to rebuild my life? It's a struggle that many face, and it can seem impossible. There were days when I questioned if I'd ever feel normal again. But guess what? You're not alone in this. Many people are navigating these feelings, and it's important to acknowledge that rebuilding can be a challenge, but it's also a journey worth taking. So, how do we start this journey? First off, setting small, achievable goals can make a world of difference. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire life at once, focus on little things like getting out of bed at a certain time or even taking a short walk. Establishing a routine can provide structure and stability, which is super helpful when everything feels chaotic. And let's not forget the importance of seeking support. Talk to friends or family, or consider reaching out to a professional. It's okay to ask for help. Sharing your feelings can lighten the load and remind you that you're not in this alone. Now, let me share a pivotal moment from my journey. I remember this one day when I had a breakthrough realization. I was sitting outside with a friend, and I suddenly felt this wave of clarity wash over me. I realized that recovery isn't a straight path. It's filled with twists, turns, and setbacks. But in that moment, I felt a spark of hope. I understood that every small step I took was a victory, no matter how tiny it seemed. That moment of insight changed everything for me. It was like a light bulb turned on, reminding me that resilience is built through facing challenges head on. So, to wrap things up, remember that rebuilding your life after depression is a gradual process. It's okay to take one step at a time and to be patient with yourself along the way. You're not alone in this journey, and every little victory counts. Embrace the ups and downs and know that brighter days are ahead. I'd love to hear about your experiences. If you've been on a similar journey, drop a comment below and share your story. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more mental health tips and personal growth inspiration. Remember, we're all in this together, and your story could inspire